I'm Gail Crawford with Chestnut Park Real Estate. We're standing in front of one of the most intriguing waterfront developments in the Collingwood area, Ruperts Landing. The developer, Rupert Bronson, started construction here in the late 1980s, and today it's a gated community with 207 residences. We're about 2 kilometers west of Collingwood on 18 acres of land with about a half a mile of water frontage right on Georgian Bay. The homeowners here are a diverse bunch. Some of them come for the winter activities and the proximity to the ski hills. Others are here for summer and boating. Some retire, and some think it's a fantastic community to raise a family. No matter what the reason, no matter what brings them here, they all have one thing in common: they love it. Let me take you for a look around and I'll show you why. We're standing in front of 6 Ramblings Way beaches. This condominium corporation has redone all of the windows and sliding doors and the courtyard that we're standing in front of. Listed for sale is Unit 138. It's a 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium on 2 levels. This unit is completely air conditioned with efficient heat pump and a gas fireplace. This much sought after location has spectacular views of Georgian Bay with eastern exposure. Let's go inside and take a look. The main level is all open concept with sliding doors out to the balcony. You're guaranteed to see some memorable sunrises while having your morning coffee on the deck. This unit is tastefully done with upgraded kitchen with warm quartz counters, stainless steel appliances. The stove has double ovens and the dishwasher is meile. Heading upstairs, there's a 2-piece powder room just off the entrance. The upper level has 2 bedrooms. There is a second balcony off the master bedroom with beautiful views right to Christian Island. There's a full 4-piece bathroom with heated tile floors. There's absolutely nothing that needs to be done to this condo. It's move-in ready, it comes completely furnished and with all linens. It doesn't get any easier than this. The Recreation Center is the focal point for many of the activities that go on here at Ruperts Landing. Tennis is a big part of the life with 3 hard courts, organized round-robin tournaments, tennis lessons, and if you're not a tennis player, spectators are always welcome. Just off the courts is shuffleboard and the children's play area. One of the very unique parts of this development is the full-time recreation staff who organize and plan activities for all ages. Let's go have a look inside. The Recreation Center is 6,000 square feet with an adult lounge with beautiful wood-burning fireplace, flat-screen TV, and billiards table. This is where many of the adult events are hosted: happy hour, New Year's Eve gala, breakfast at Wimbledon, and the ever-popular Elvis weekend events. Down the hall are the men's and ladies' change facilities that lead to the pool, hot tub, and sauna areas. On the lower level is the workout room, squash court, and children's play area. Here we are down at the marina, where the views of the harbor are spectacular. The floating docks are available for rent, or you may own one. Thanks so much for taking the tour with us today. I hope I've been able to impress upon you what a special place this is. I'd love to take you for a tour of the condo and the development, so give me a call at 705-445-5454. Until next time.